Today we will learn how to enroll in a course. When you have created your account and you are logged in, after that second step is how to enroll into your course. So first you should be login. Here you can see if you are login, there should be your name. So after login, the first screen that you can see that will appear to you, that will be dashboard. Dashboard gives you an idea of your activities, like your timeline, your recently accessed courses, course overview, if you have any courses enrolled already. But we have not, we are new, so first we will need to enroll courses. Then we will go to site home. Site home is the home page of the website. So anywhere you are going, you can navigate through site home. This screen is due to slow internet connectivity. So we are redirected to the home screen again. Here I have given search courses, or I can also go through the categories. I can search the category if I know, or I could directly go to the course. Like I wanted to enroll in a school. I'm a school student and I wanted to enroll into that school. I will click on the school. So there are further few more categories. You need to choose your school, in which category you want to enroll. So if you are a student of Agojdeep school, you can choose Agojdeep. Then these are the classes they are providing. I need to choose the class. Like I am going to enroll for 9th class. When I click on 9th class, the screen will give me further subcategories. These are the subjects, these are the courses they are offering under 9th class. So like I wanted to study and enroll myself in English. I will click on the English. So this is the English first course. I will click again on the lesson name, book name. And then it will appear here, enroll me. So if you wanted to enroll for this course, you will click on enroll me. This is self-enrollment, student enrollment option given by the teacher. After enrollment, you can see the course, you can go through the course and activities given by the teacher. Like first they have given information, then introduction. You can ask here by clicking here anything to your question, to a teacher related to your lesson. Then they could give further activities also. So you will find everything related to your course in your course here after you get enrollment. Thanks.